Your question is the age of retirement in the Supreme Court is, your options are A 62 years, B 63 years, C 64 years, or D 65 years. Right answer is D 65 years. Your question is the age of a judge of the Supreme Court of India shall be determined by such authority and in such manner as Parliament may by laws provide, inserted by. Your options are A 15th Constitution Amendment, B 16th Constitution Amendment, C 17th Constitution Amendment, or D 18th Constitution Amendment. Right answer is A 15th Constitution Amendment. Your question is acting Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India is appointed by. Your options are A Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, B Prime Minister, C President, or D Law Minister. Right answer is C President. Your question is which of the following type of judge or judges can be appointed in the Supreme Court of India? 1 ad hoc judge, 2 additional judge courts. Your options are A 1 is true and 2 is false, B 1 is false and 2 is true, C both 1 and 2 are true, or D both 1 and 2 are false. Right answer is A 1 is true and 2 is false. Your question is acting Chief Justice of India is appointed by the. Your options are A Chief Justice of India, B Chief Justice of India with previous consent of the President, C President, or D President on consultation with the Chief Justice of India. Right answer is C President. Your question is with reference to Indian judiciary, consider the following statements. 1. Any retired judge of the Supreme Court of India can be called back to sit and act as a Supreme Court judge by the Chief Justice of India with prior permission of the President of India. 2. A High Court in India has the power to review its own judgment as the Supreme Court does. Which of the following statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, or D neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is C both 1 and 2. Any retired judge of the Supreme Court of India can be called back to sit and act as a Supreme Court judge by the Chief Justice of India with prior permission of the President of India, and a High Court in India has the power to review its own judgment as the Supreme Court does. Your question is the judges of Supreme Court of India are appointed by the President. Your options are A after recommendation by Rajya Sabha, B on the advice of Lok Sabha, C on the advice of Prime Minister, or D in consultation with the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Right answer is D in consultation with the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Your question is the Indian Constitution provides for the appointment of ad hoc judges in. Your options are A Supreme Court, B High Courts, C District and Session Courts, or D all the above. Right answer is A Supreme Court. Your question is the Supreme Court's collegium comprises the Chief Justice of India and a few senior judges for recommending appointee to the Supreme Court. The number of such senior judges who are part of this body is. Your options are A 3, B 4, C 5, or D 6. Right answer is B 4. Your question is in which year was the collegium system for the appointment of judges adopted by the Supreme Court of India? Your options are A 1993, B 1996, C 2000, or D 2004. Right answer is A 1993.